How to change address on Shein. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application, or you can also use your Shein app to change your address. Go on to www.shein.com and get logged into your Shein account. As you do so, let's go ahead and add something to our cart. Choose any product that you would like, select the size, then tap on Add to Cart. Now as you do so, let's go ahead and tap onto our cart. Select the product that you would like to check out, then tap on to checkout. Now at this page, enter your location, your first name, last name, your phone number, your city, and under address 1 line, change your location to whatever you would like. Also add address line 2. Once you do all that, tap on to save, and the third step is placing your order. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.